Ndewo no. Imagine yourself in the middle of a busy Igbo market. Colors, sounds, and voices all around. Today we are taking a fun trip to the Ahia market, where you will learn how to bargain and buy like a true Igbo speaker. Get ready to practice real-life phrases that will make your market experience exciting and authentic. Kani bido. The next thing after saying Ndewo to your vendor is finding out the price. How much is it? Or egole. That is it. That's how you say it. How much is it? Or ego ole. The vendor tells you the price, like it is 1,000 or otupuku. And you'll be like, oh, it is expensive. Odi, ono. Don't get confused. Ono is mouth, but it can also mean expensive, depending on the context where it is used. Odi, ono. So let's go through it again. Owe gole. The vendor tells you, oh, otupuku, or oh, 1,000. You'll be like, odi ono. That's you're trying to show that you're trying to explain that it is expensive. That's you're bringing in your bargaining ground now when you say odiono. Now the vendor is ready to see you bargain. Yeah. So let's move on to the next. The vendor will be like, fine girls, things are expensive now. Asa is fine girl in Igbo. So you say asa ihe niile dị ọnụ ebe niile. That's coming from the vendor. And you'll be like, will you sell for 450? That's the English version. In Igbo, it is Iga ere ya nari and no na iri ise. Nari is 100 and no is 4. Na is and. Iri ise is 50. That is 450. Iga ere ya nari and no na iri ise. The vendor is live will be like, do you want to send me to the village? Ichori Olam village. Ichori Olam Olo. Olo. That's village. Yeah. Ichori Olam village, that's a funny thing they say when you give them a funny price when you're trying to bargain solo. Yeah. So the next thing you'll be like, no, please give me discount. No is mba. You say mba, ngwa sepuro mego. Sepuro mego means give me discount. No, ngwa sepuro mego or biko. Biko, that should be mba. Biko sepuro mego. Yeah. The vendor will be like, because it's you, pay 800 last. Makagi, narị asatọ. Sometimes within me, I will be like, oh, Makamu, do you know me from anywhere? But it's always the phrase that is used in the market. I'm teaching you the tips and tricks now, yeah? Makagi, narị asatọ. That's 800. You'll be like, please, what I have is 550. Meaning, biko, ihim jiwo 550. So you can just put your amount there or put whatever thing you're bargaining with. I'm just teaching you the basics. Now let's say you're finished and the vendor says, okay, bring money, meaning ngwa weta ego. You give the money and say, take, please add extra stroke freebies. Freebies for me. Were biko tinyere mmezi. Imeela is thank you. Were biko tinyere mmezi. You'll be wondering what's mmezi. It depends on what you're buying. What you're buying. Don't go and be buying a car from a woman and you're asking for freebies. So the person will give it to you and say, see you later. I've put it. See you later. Etinyelemia. Kodi. Kodi is see you later. Etinyelemia. I have put it. Yeah, let's go through it again. Ngwa wete ego. You give the money and say, were biko tinyere mmezi. Imeela. Yeah, then the person said, etinyele mi akodi. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you on my next video. Bye.